welcome back. Today I have another ink review video for you. This one was a suggestion that was left on a video called Dusted Truffle, and this was suggested as a brown color, so I'd like to see what this is like. Okay, and first we'll do a swatch here. I think it does have shimmers, and this color was pretty difficult to find. So I'm glad I was able to get a sample. And I would definitely call this in the brown family somewhere. Let's see here. Maybe like a super light mocha maybe, or like a tan kind of with gray undertones. I don't know yet. It's also still wet, so who can say? All right, let me put the name on here. And this is by Diamine. There we go. So I am going to set this aside to dry under a fan, and then I'll be right back. And of course, because this has shimmers, I believe I did see some shimmer in there, I'm going to shake it in between swatches to make sure that we get shimmer in the different samples. Okay, so this is just plain copy paper. We're going to see how well it performs on there. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me try out, definitely leave a comment down below. And if I have it, or if I can get it, then we will do a sample of it. Whoops. I'm still learning to use this dip pen, so I apologize. Okay, this is copy paper. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely seeing the sparkles now. They're starting to float up to the top there. That's good. All right, so we'll set that aside. And then we got to try the same one on HP 32 paper. This is another type of copy paper, but this one has a smoother finish on it, and it's just a better writing experience. And it also sometimes you can see the different properties of the ink, so if you can't get a nicer paper but you can get your hands on some HP 32, a lot of times the fun properties in the ink will still show. Oops. We get the ink again. There we go. Alright, and this is HP 32. And then if you're enjoying this video and you want to see more, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more videos. And if I can find the link where I got this, I will leave a link below. There we are. That's how that looks so far. This definitely needs to dry, so I'm going to set this aside. And now we're going to try this on Tomoe River paper. And I need to shake this first. Yeah, it looks like this one I got from Goulet Pens. Has the name on the bottle right there. Seems like all the different companies carry different things, so I end up having to go to multiple places to find inks and things to test out. Alright, this is a Dusted Truffle. This is Tomoe River. Alright. It does look like this is going to have some shading of some kind. Alright, let me put the lid on this so it doesn't spill, and then I will check on the swatch and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. So this actually performed really well on the copy paper. There's no feathering or anything, and you can see the shimmers really well. Very, very pretty ink. And then on the HP32, same thing. It looks great. Performed really, really well. It does look like there is some shading, and I'm not even talking about the spot here where I put too much ink down, but there is a little bit of shading in there, and this is really pretty. A really unique brown. And then here it is in the Tomo River, and again you can see some of that shading, and of course the shimmers. Hopefully the light picks up the shimmer. Very, very pretty. And I don't know how to describe this brown. Maybe like a taupe or something. I'm not sure how to describe it, but it's very pretty and very unique as well. I don't think I have one that's quite like this. So this is a really nice brown. And then on the swatch, you can see all that shading quite clearly now. And in the writing, it's really pretty. This is a really nice color. Thank you for the suggestion. And keep the suggestions coming, because hopefully we'll get to see all the inks that you'd like to see me try. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.